Hey everyone, let me ask you something. Have you ever spent hours trying to make your presentation look professional, only to end up with slides that feel, well, boring? Well, today I'm going to show you how to create stunning, professional presentations in just minutes, saving you hours of manual work using the free version of WPS Office AI. Before we start, make sure you've downloaded WPS Office. I've dropped the link in the description below, so go ahead and grab it if you want to follow along. Alright, let's get started. Once you've got WPS Office installed, open it up and click on Slides. This is WPS's version of PowerPoint. It's designed to be user-friendly, so you'll feel right at home. Now, here's where we create our presentation, starting with a blank slide. And we're going to use the AI Generate feature. This is what makes WPS stand out from other tools. It's like having a personal designer and content creator rolled into one. Here's how it works. WPS AI will ask you to describe the topic of your presentation. Let's say I'm creating a presentation on digital marketing strategies for small businesses. I'll type that in. And as you can see, the AI starts building the outline. It automatically pulls in relevant data and organizes it into sections for you. It's like having a research assistant working behind the scenes. Once the outline is ready, take a moment to review each section. Make sure everything looks good, and if you're happy with it, click on Choose Template to select a style. For this demo, I'll go with this clean, modern design. Now, check this out. Your presentation is already looking great, but we can make it even better. Use the AI Beautify button to enhance the layout, colors, and graphics automatically. Want to tweak the content? Just select any text and use the AI Optimize feature. It can rewrite sections, suggest improvements, or even adjust the tone to match your audience. Of course, you'll want to make the presentation your own branding. Add your company logo. Adjust the colors to match your brand, and swap out any images to fit your message. WPS makes this super easy with its drag and drop interface. Everything is intuitive, so you can customize your slides without breaking a sweat. Once you're happy with your presentation, it's time to share it with the world. WPS lets you export your slides in multiple formats: PowerPoint, PDF, or even as a video. This flexibility means your presentation will look amazing, no matter where or how you share it. And there you have it, a stunning professional presentation created in just minutes with WPS AI. This tool is a total game changer, saving you hours of work, and the fact that it's free? Absolute win. If you haven't already, download WPS Office using the link in the description and give it a try. Trust me, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon for more productivity tips. Oh, and before you go, check out our next video where I'll show you how to download Adobe After Effects for free. Click the link on the screen or in the description to watch now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy presenting!